Hey guys, John from j&jautowrecking here, coming at you with a test video for L7CE296. This is our 2007 Chevrolet Corvette. This car has 27,000 miles on it, manual transmission, the awesome LS2, and a sick, nasty Pro Charger. This is the intercooled Pro Charger version. It is all still plumbed in and working and running. We're going to fire it up and show that here. We are going to be selling this as a complete swap. We're going to leave the Pro Charger on it. We will give you guys the intercooler and the boost tubes so you guys can adapt them to whatever vehicle you're going to put it in. It is literally just an outlet. Let's picking it up. Intercooler straight to the throttle body. So whatever you guys are putting it in, you can obviously modify the duct work, but we're going to leave that all there for you guys. Very nice set of chrome replica Z06 wheels on it. This passenger door has a little bit of damage on it, so we're going to be parting that out. Might be fixable, might not be. We'll check on that. All the body parts are in very good condition though, because this car only had 27,000 miles on her. It was actually wrecked on a test drive. They left the test drive plate on it. Motor Max, Griffin, Georgia. You guys can check them out. Thanks for sponsoring today's video by wrecking your car. Nice Corsa exhaust on it with some bent tips. We're going to try to get those straightened out at a muffler shop and sell them. Hatch is in great condition. The T-top, or sorry, target top is in good shape as well. It is the translucent design. A little bit of collision wrap left on it. Driver's side has very nice panels as well. This headlight is one of the cleanest C6 headlights I've ever seen. That is just tape residue left on it from the collision wrap. We're going to clean that all off and sell it. A lot of these get yellowed and cracked. This one only having 27,000 miles really hasn't had a chance to do that yet. Let's go ahead and step inside and fire this bad boy up. Oh, I thought it locked me. Monday 2.0, guys. Woo! Slide on in because I'm fat and tall and this thing is low. 27,229 miles. Let's get her fired up. Alright, we're going to go ahead and test out the radio and the climate control while we let the motor just get a little bit of heat in it before I rev it. Climate control working well. Just going through the temperatures here so you guys can see. Go ahead and test the radio.
Think about baseball, but very, very good. Thorough is another good.
Radio's working well. Windows up, down. See if I can get this message off for you guys. 27,229 miles. Let's give her a couple revs. Go test out the transmission now. Here we go. We got. Oh, that clutch ain't stock either. There's reverse. Oh, that's nice, man. That thing is like an on-off switch. We'll give her one loud rev for the viewers, guys. That was loud for 3,500. We'll do some more revs with this thing later, maybe a burnout on Instagram, but for right now, it's early, it's like 8:30. I don't want to deal with it. Learn how to properly shut off a Corvette. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video of L7CE296, our 2007 Chevrolet C6 Corvette with a Pro-Charged LS2 swap. Wow, that's a mouthful, and it is way too early for this. Guys, if you're looking for this motor, I'm going to have a link in the description below to all the parts off this car, www.jandjautowrecking.com. We got a bunch of other C6s out there in the yard too, so if you see something on this car that's not good, check us out, man. We might have something for you. You already found us on YouTube, so please comment, like, subscribe, do all that shenanigans. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.